Look at you go. What is that?
He's no.
Yes, because he didn't nap today.
Somebody's sleeping.
Did he fall down?
Yeah. The first time we remember just now when you had it on tape.
Oh, I didn't know because it looks like on his head that he fell down.
He hit his head on it.
Oh, I didn't know he hit it.
Listen, don't show that one. Don't show that one.
Aw, that poor baby.
He fell on the very first one.
It's like, man, look at you. I love you, Garrett. I love you.
If that's the case.
Hey.
Yeah, hold that camera for you.
That is not for you. Now let's see what you can do, man.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
Hi, cutie
You can't get up
pie.
on your knees?
Not this time.
You're not gonna do it? Knee crawl. There you
Oh,
go.
dear.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got now. There we go.
Wow.
There we go. Come on. Oh,
Oh, you're such a big boy.
come on. You got it. Come on. Come on.
Boy, we make you work so hard.
Yes, sir. You're gonna sleep tonight. He figure out to get on his knees first.
Whoa.
Get on your knees first, boy. There you go. Oh. 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 There you go. I wish I could help him.
I know, you're so smart, buddy.
Get it, boy. Put your other hand up there. Get it. Get it.
Good boy.
Come on now, pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. Oh, he's trying. That thing long socks.
If my camera dies on me.
There he goes.
Here, watch your hand, baby. Watch your hand. I can get it from over here.
Stand up. Stand up.
Good job, baby.
Good job,
That was awesome. And we got it all on tape.
Yay.
Oh, you are so
Oh
good.
my God.
You are such a good baby.
Dang. How old are you? How old are you?
7.5 months old.
Dang. Good job. Good
All
job.
right.
Yeah.
You're so good. Wow, that was awesome.
That was pretty cool. Good job.